Right, so this is a suggestion via a channel member. Guys, let's jump into it.
Well, a billionaire backlash is brewing in California over a proposed bill that would tax the ultra rich, with some reportedly ready to move their businesses and their money across the country to Florida. So that is where we find News Nation's Ryan Bass. Ryan, good morning. What would this bill mean for California, and why Florida? Why is that the destination of choice?
So, Kelly, Florida checks a lot of boxes for the ultra wealthy here in the state. Of course, there's no state income taxes. That's certainly a big one. There's clear residency rules, and there's a growing tech scene that's coming here to the Sunshine State as well. If this bill becomes a law, state analysts out of California say that they could lose hundreds of millions of dollars a year in tax revenue. It could lead to job losses, investment losses, and innovation tied to its tech economy as well, which we know is huge with Silicon Valley in California. The 2026 Billionaire Tax Act is backed by a healthcare labor union and would impose a one-time wealth tax, including on money tied up in stocks or private companies.
Oh yeah, they're leaving. They're leaving immediately. I'm just going to be completely honest here. Like, anyone that is into finance understands kind of immediately. Like, unrealized gains is a wild thing to say. I'm gonna go ahead and tax you on. All right. Like, I mean, generally, super uber wealthy people they never have really cash because it's all tied up into their company, their corporation, or their stocks. Okay. So the fact that you're attempting to capital gains tax something that they have not sold or taken out is wild, because that can change on on a second basis, if that makes any sense here. Right. At one time in the morning, it's super high, but then 10 hours later, it's like to the ground. So why would you tax stocks? But I get it. I mean, they're doing it because they know that billionaires, millionaires, 100 millionaires basically store gigantic capital, specifically in stocks, and they know if they don't sell it, they don't get taxed, right? But I'm gone. Period. Like, I would never even say I own stocks in the state of California going forward. Like, that's not a thing here. That is crazy to me, bro. Yeah, get out of this place. Like, every single time I hear things like brand new things on California, where I get so frustrated. I'm telling you, like, what is this? You're taxing stocks. What's next? Let me guess. The IRA also. You're going to tax the IRAs of people. That's, guys,
on anyone considered a California resident
this is bad.
On January 1, 2026, even if voters approve this later.
Happy New
Year's,
supporters,
say
everyone.
It could raise up to $100 billion for healthcare, food assistance, and education. Now, the Golden State is home to some of the country's wealthiest tech power players. We're talking Google co-founder Larry Page, Meta's Mark Zuckerberg, Oracle's Larry Ellison among them. Under this proposal, all of these folks you see here could face a one-time tax of $1 billion plus. Now, this proposal is triggering many wealthy folks. Hedge fund titan Bill Ackman wrote on X that, quote,
hedge fund?
California is on a path to self-destruction. Hollywood is already toast. And now the most productive entrepreneurs will leave, taking their tax revenues and job creation elsewhere.
Eternal.
Now, defending this wealth tax proposal, California Democratic Congressman Ro Khanna says the tech leaders leaving the state defies common sense, and he says that adding this tax would, quote, be good for innovation, Kelly.
Whoa.
So what is the governor there, Gavin Newsom, saying about this bill? What's his take, Ryan?
So Newsom, Kelly, has always opposed these wealth tax proposals in the past, calling them impractical and warning that it could actually push people out of his state.
Guys, I'm going to pause it for a second here, because Gavin Newsom knew better than to do this. So I don't know what's going on here, right? Like, I'm guessing it's the Mamdani win, bro. I think it's Ro Khanna also. Like, there's a whole mix of, like, absolute terrible things that are happening right now in California. And the Mamdani win has basically pushed people to think that the smartest thing they could possibly do is something like this. The stupidest thing a state can legitimately say is, hey, listen, you may have came from, I don't know, New Jersey, for example, and you've had stocks since you were 18 years old, okay, just growing since you were 18 through some type of, I don't know, Dividend Kings or, ETFs, etc. Then you move to my state, but you've had them since you were 18, and you've never sold them. You just stacked them for when you retired. But yeah, move here, and what I'll do is I'm gonna go ahead and tax you on your stocks that you never sold and you've been holding since you were 18, let's say, right? That is absolutely asinine. All right. Like, that is the stupidest thing I think you can possibly do as a state. So yes, I think that there are going to be a gigantic amount of people that are running from this place, even like now more than legitimately ever. Like right now, this is it. This is the nail in the coffin of California right here. But either way,
Is also reportedly fundraising against this measure and says it is still far from becoming a reality. Take a listen.
okay,
A
hold
wealth
on.
tax that vast majority of labor opposes and almost everybody I know opposes. So it's not something to be panicked about.
Welcome, Viper.
But
Welcome.
it's part of the broader concern and narrative that's developed in this country of the haves and have-nots.
Kelly, this ballot measure needs more than 874,000 signatures just
Okay.
to make it on the ballot. It's unclear at this time how many signatures they actually have, Kelly.
Thank you for watching.
Oh, guys, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how many they have, guys. I mean, it doesn't matter. Not in the context of this year. I think this is the end of California, and we're seeing it play out in, like in live here. Okay, this is this is stupid, right? Like this is like think about this here, guys. People don't seem to understand this here. Generally, if you have like a 401k, like please know why your 401k grows. It grows basically because it acts similar to an IRA, similar, right? And what that means is by default, you have stocks, okay? Like it's being managed by someone, right? You're gonna get taxed on never selling your guys. Who guys? This is stupid. All right, like I don't even want to talk about this right now. This is frustrating to me. All right, just imagine that California has decided that they're going to push towards not even like a wealth tax because this affects everyone with 401ks, IRAs, SEP IRAs. Okay, the common typical Robin Hood trader, let's say. Like, guys, this is silly. This is silly. Wait. Right. I'm sorry. I know Viper. I gotta listen. You're right. But the idea of attempting to tax a stock before you sell it, knowing that it moves up and down all day, is absolutely ridiculous to me. Okay, I could be wrong. Maybe I'm overblowing it, right? But no, dude, like leave. Sorry, leave. If you are making over a certain amount of money, you're holding stocks in general, leave. Because the next thing, if they come after the billionaires over their stocks, the next thing is going to be the next group of people who have high income or large quantity of stocks, so they've been saving forever. So yeah, guys, no, I don't like this. Because I remember when a couple of years ago they were trying to tax anyone selling a house worth over $1 million, bro. That is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house in California, guys. All right, so that's a big problem. Guys, do you want to watch movies with me? I never actually thought to like promote it over here, guys. But if you guys do want to watch it, guys, we have hundreds of movies, and I mean hundreds of movies that we've reacted to. You guys can come watch them with me if you want to, along with many TV shows. Currently, we're working on the show Dexter, along with Vikings, and we have a lot of series that are already completed. But if you guys do want to watch it with me, the link is in the description. Everything's available at the second tier. But of course, if that's not your thing, guys, don't worry. Right? Listen, like and subscribe.